Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Pinterest history on mobile, right? So basically you have to just go to the Pinterest mobile application here and just click on here, and after that it will load. So just wait for a few seconds, and in the bottom right side corner you can see option that is called profile. So just click on profile, and here in the top right side corner see the three dots. So just click on the three dots. Now go to the setting, and after that you have to scroll a little bit down, and basically you have to click on, just let me show you, you have to click on privacy and data. Okay, and sometime it doesn't work. So right now it's open, so you have to just you can see, if you want to search privacy you can just turn it on, and otherwise if you want to delete it, in the last option you will get clear app cache. So just click on here and you will get a notification that cache cleared, and that's it. So your Pinterest history has been clear. So this is it guys. If you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.